Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are trading unemployment claims as per usual. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you are a returning viewer, you already know what's up. So we are going to be trading GJ or USD in today's video. So we have roughly about 50 seconds until the news hits. So what we're going to do is we're going to just quickly do an analysis because it's better that we just wait for the news release to happen. But from the looks of it, it looks like it's going to sell towards the downside, maybe down here, if the news does come out bearish. But first things first, we're going to mark out our low of the day, which is over here. And then we're going to mark out the high of the day, which is up here. Then we're literally just going to go from there. So we've got about 10 seconds until the news gets released. So let's go and check it out here on this news source, which is Forex Live, and we go from there. So it is now 1:30. The news has been released, and we have gotten initial job claims. We're waiting. We're waiting for the release. Okay, it came out positive, which means we should be buying GBP JPY. So this sell goes out the window. So what we do now is we play the patient game. If we're gonna buy GJ, where do we think it's gonna go to, guys? This is not rocket science. So there is a high chance GJ is gonna come all the way up here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the 3-minute time frame and see exactly if I can snipe an entry over here. So at the same time, as per usual, we're gonna do a quick screen recording. And yeah, I do think price will actually go all the way up to that point. At some point, I wouldn't be surprised if price comes down here and then shoots back up. But for now, it's looking quite sweet for this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop in 2 5 lots as per usual. So we're gonna go for 1 5. We're gonna buy. We're gonna buy again. You know what? We're gonna buy one more time. Oof, not good. So I guess I maxed out. So what I'm gonna do now as well, I'm gonna take a look at USD JPY and see what that is saying. So yeah, USD JPY. I had buys from down here, but it looks like it's already buying at the moment. So with that being said, I don't have to do too much with USD JPY. It is in motion, as you can see, with these buys right now. So what happens next for me is we just play the waiting game, go back to GBP JPY or Wanda. And yeah, so this would be, let me just put it something like this. My stop loss would be somewhere down here. At 1:4, we will be catching roughly, let's say, around 60 pips on this trade. So yeah, right now we are currently at entry on this. So we are currently at entry. So I'm just going to set my take profits for both of these trades at 193,700. 193,700 is the target that I'm aiming for. 193,700 for the first one. So we'll be looking at roughly 1,600 per position. Per position, guys. So with this one here, TP 193,700. Hold on. Let me get to it. All right. So the second one, TP, same position, 193,700. Boom. So yeah, we've got two positions running in P right now. When I say P, I mean in profit. So we're up €400, which is amazing to see. So yeah, as usual, I don't know how long this is gonna take. So I will just update you guys once our take profit gets hit. and we're gonna go from there. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Let me stop the video for one moment to quickly announce that the 5P Trading Academy is now open. We've got 3 packages here, as you can see on screen. We've got the 5P Masterclass, which is a crash course from beginner all the way to advanced levels in trading. We've got the standard plan, and we've also got the basic plan. Let's quickly take a look and see what's inside of these packages. Masterclass has literally everything you need. It's a 3-phase course. So we have a phase 1, understanding the basics of trading. We've got quizzes, we've got everything. We've got the tools and resources, technical analysis, practical quizzes, risk management, fundamental analysis, and the 5P strategy on how to actually trade US 30 and GBP JPY. As you guys know, we kill it on a consistent basis. We've also got a 5P schedule, which is available for all packages, as you can see here on screen. What this consists of is literally calls every single day, guys. So in these calls, we cover risk management, trading psychology, mindset, and much more. A market analysis section. Here you'll see all the analysis that we do for the upcoming week with our prime setups. This week's prime setup is USD JPY, and we are totally gonna smash it. That's not enough. We have daily giveaways, guys. So basically, you spin the wheel, you can get any item of your choice that's on this wheel. This could be AirPod Max, PS5, a 50k account, a 10k account, and even a 100k account of your choice. So make sure you don't waste any further time, guys. Click on the link in the description, click on get access. Let's get to it. And now let's get back into the video. And we are back. It's been about 2 hours. It's now 3:35. As you can see on screen, our take profit got smashed. GJ went to the day's resistance. As you can see, the news came out positive, so it meant that we buy GBP JPY. I did manage to screen record the trade as well, so I'm also going to pop that on screen. On top of that, we had some news at 220, so that's why price went a little bit bearish. But as you can see, this time price nearly came to our stop loss, but it didn't. From that point, it reversed towards the upside. And now this is running about 90 pips. But outside of that, that's this week trading unemployment claims. Next week, we're going to be trading unemployment claims and NFP. If you want to be a part of that, make sure you hit the link in the description. Other than that, guys, let there be peace in the Middle East, and let my brothers and sisters be safe.